English Persian past. I had equals.
من داشتم.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to smile and learn fast? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free drills. Quick game plan. You'll master the English phrases I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, plural, they had, and say them in Persian like a pro. Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently use the past tense of to have in Persian. I had.
من داشتم.
You had, SG.
تو داشتی.
He had.
او داشت.
She had.
او داشت.
It had.
آن داشت.
We had.
ما داشتیم.
You had, plural, formal.
شما داشتید.
They had.
آنها داشتند.
Verb, to have dictionary form.
داشتن.
Beat the forms. Clap the rhythm and repeat after me, comedy aloud. I had.
من داشتم.
Boom. You had, SG.
تو داشتی.
Clap. He had.
او داشت.
Nod. She had.
او داشت.
Same form, double confidence. It had.
آن داشت.
Robot voice optional. We had.
ما داشتیم.
Team high five. You had, plural.
شما داشتید.
Very polite, very powerful. They had.
آنها داشتند.
Group victory. Mini dialogue at the door. Act it out with me, you're the hero with the keys. A. Did we bring the keys? We forgot yesterday. B. Relax, I had them.
من داشتم کلیدها را.
A. Wait, I think you had the tickets. B. Yep, you had, SG.
تو داشتی بلیطها را.
A. And he had the map.
او داشت نقشه را.
She had snacks.
او داشت خوراکی.
B. The drone? It had a camera.
آن داشت دوربین.
A. Perfect. We had a plan.
ما داشتیم یک برنامه.
You had, plural, the cash.
شما داشتید پول نقد.
They had the ride.
آنها داشتند ماشین.
B. Mission unlocked. Door opens. Comedy soundtrack plays. Call and response drill. I say English, you shout Persian after the pause. Ready? I had.
من داشتم.
You had, SG.
تو داشتی.
He had.
او داشت.
She had.
او داشت.
It had.
آن داشت.
We had.
ما داشتیم.
You had, plural, formal.
شما داشتید.
They had.
آنها داشتند.
Culture tip. Natural usage. Tiny tip to sound natural in Persian. Use.
داشتن.
To show possession or states. For meals, say, eat, not have, instead of, we had tea, say.
ما چای خوردیم.
But for possession, absolutely use, we had time.
ما وقت داشتیم.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Translate. She had. Answer.
او داشت.
Translate, they had. Answer.
آنها داشتند.
Translate, we had a plan. Answer.
ما یک برنامه داشتیم.
Translate, you had, plural, the keys. Answer.
شما کلیدها را داشتید.
Translate, I had the book. Answer.
من کتاب را داشتم.
10-second challenge. Deep breath. Run all 8 forms without stopping. I had.
من داشتم.
You had, SG.
تو داشتی.
He had.
او داشت.
She had.
او داشت.
It had.
آن داشت.
We had.
ما داشتیم.
You had, plural.
شما داشتید.
They had.
آنها داشتند.
Nailed it. Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, they had, with your new Persian superpower.
من داشتم. تو داشتی. او داشت. آن داشت. ما داشتیم. شما داشتید. آنها داشتند.
For more lessons, quizzes, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.